This quarter's unit is who we are. The children learned more about themselves and their peers. We learned all about different emotions, our bodies, our families, and all our favorite things.
Or maybe it's an ear. Maybe it's an ear. Thumb.
Snap on the thing. And the other.
2 eyes. Maybe I need.
What are the things that you like, Phoenix? What is this?
Flower.
You like flowers? What else?
Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Night.
Night? Fish? Hamburgers? Beach? And cats? Wow! These are the things that you like? Thumbs up.
Yellow. Yeah. So look carefully, and I'm gonna find yellow. Yeah, there's yellow. So I'm gonna put yellow on my plate to decorate it. I'm gonna stick on the pasta. Is this one yellow? No. Is it not yellow? No. No? Is it blue? No. I think it's yellow. Look at that. I think it will look good on my plate. So I'm gonna stick it on my plate. Yeah?
We started with identifying and labeling body parts and its functions, specifically our facial features. The nursery classes collaborated with our art teacher, Mr. Alex, to create beautiful self-portraits using a variety of loose parts such as beads, pasta, and seeds. The class created a mini portfolio of things about them, such as their favorite food, animal, and color. We then identified and matched things that we like with our peers. With Ms. Rao's support, the students learned about the great King Ramanai's interests, and we were able to find similarities within our interests. N2 Yang did a fantastic job. They've become more respectful and accepting of other individuals. Great job, N2 Yang!